Hello everyone and welcome to another Train Sim World 6 video. In today's video we are doing 1 Zulu 20, the Preston Docker part 7. We've done the other 6 parts in Train Sim World 5 and now we only have 2 parts left, which is what we're going to be completing today. Let's go. I need to speak to some other content creators or just other people that play TSW and see if they've noticed the same improvement I have. What side of doors? Is this the front of the train? What's the front of the train? It's the left side doors. No, right side doors. Right, 100%, but I can't see anything. I swear this used to have better vision. Yes, it's put me in the wrong cab. Right. Okay. Off. Oh, I like that. Neutral slash shut down. Take that off. No, the key can stay in, but it needs to be in this cab, really. Engine only. I like how it's telling me to move off already and I'm nowhere near setting up. Right, let's do lights. Right side marker. Left marker. No, that's tail light. Left marker. Right marker. Instruments. Not musicals. AWS. Yeah, that should be okay. Yes. Hang on. Yep. Right, next stop, Blackpool sidings. No, we are going to Blackpool North. It also has locked doors. I am noticing some UI issues with this game. Not major ones, but enough ones, do you know what I mean? But yeah, I wonder if anybody else has noticed the same graphical update in TSW6, because this feels like it doesn't move as slow as what it used to. It feels like it moves a lot quicker, the camera. And it just looks more crisp and alive. But that might just be the season we're in. So it's the 1st of October. It's recording this, so yeah, that might be why. Viewers again. Nice. Right, what are we doing? That's 20 miles an hour, so we can continue at that speed. Oh no, maybe if it was double slit. I don't know if it is, that might be what they're trying us around this way. Right, 30 round here. And what is it when we join? 70? Oh. Right, let's get a quick thumbnail. Yeah, I feel like the camera just moves so much better than it does. I feel like they've done some major work to the Xbox Series S. Or at least that's what it feels like, because I've not noticed any major differences anywhere else, to be honest. Like, when watching people that play on PlayStation 5, it looks exactly the same. Right, time to full beans it. Actually, I forgot this is Blackpool branches. Let me turn my headset audio down a bit, because Blackpool branches is quite a loud route. I don't know if West Coast Mainline Preston Carlisle has the same thing. Yeah, speaking of just trains, we've got the Class 20 coming in a BR livery, and it's going to have like a headcoat box for the lights, or a headlight box. So it's going to be in BR blue, it's going to have suspension. Oh, it's looking nice. It's going to be 1986, like this route, and Preston Carlisle. I'm hoping to get Preston Carlisle soon. Last year in December, Just Trains Blackpool branches went on sale for 50%, so I'm hoping this year in December, Preston Carlisle will go on sale. But I know Just Trains are doing more stuff now, which is good. They've got the 142 Transport for Wales Pacer, which is nice. And they've got the, which I think is built more for future routes than it is the Cardiff Sea network, but you never know. Maybe Just Trains want to expand to Wales at some point. But yeah, there's a 47/3 coming with it as well, which is quite complicated at the moment. And there's a 86/4, which is a bit weird considering they just sold a couple of months ago the 86/2 for 20 quid, and now they're bundling it in a route, which is going to cost like 30 quid, don't get me wrong, but you know, just decisions. But that is why I'm not a trains or content maker, because decisions aren't obvious to me, and I'm not a genius. It takes a genius to build some of this stuff. 70 miles an hour. And so it's going to come down to 20. Through Holland Farm, it's going to come down to 15 as we head into Blackpool North. Yeah, this route in an awesome setting. Cool. We have BBWW and Melbourne Train Guide viewing. Thank you very much. I have got Twitch chat open on my phone if you want to chat, because I have managed to install Twitch on my phone. So yeah, the chat is open, because I deleted it just so I could have the storage to upload a video, but got the storage after deleting Twitch and never reinstalled it. And there's a 47, it's nice. We do like a 47. 8:50 is the time in the UK right now. So good morning to you from the UK. I'm just making sure the brakes are set up correctly. Right brake. Something's telling me that I should be slowing down. Yes, I should be. Hang on, the max speed of this is only 60 anyway, isn't it? Oopsie. No one sort of thing. I mean, it says we can go 70, so I would argue, although I'm not looking at the HUD, that's the HUD's fault, because it should only say 60. Oh, and I forgot, we've got the 20 coming for Skyhook Games, Cargo Line Volume 5. Yes, so if I'm going to mention the Just Trains Class 20, I should mention the Skyhook Games, rebranded DRS Class 20. Yes, looking forward to that. As long as they don't overprice it, as long as it's £9.99, I can get on board with it. Any higher than £9.99, like if they make it £12.99, you know, I feel like you've overcharged us for a few of these cargo packs. Skyhook, maybe one that isn't overpriced would be appreciated. It is good content, I'm not saying it's not worth it, but I just think it should be they should all be £4.99. But then a business has got to meet a business's expectations, and if that's what the expectation is, fair enough. Put some brake on. Aux 50. Release. Look at this, it just looks so fresh. Like it just looks alive. Have any of you TSW6 players, if you're watching the video or on the stream, noticed a massive upgrade? Because I feel like this is so much smoother and like so much nicer to play. Like it's just so much more graphically improved. It looks crisp, it feels, you know, awesome. I feel like they might have done some massive work on the Xbox Series S, because watching other people's content, it doesn't look too much different. Obviously I know it's hard to tell in reality what the difference is via a video, but yeah. What are we on? 30 miles an hour. Just had to make sure my microphone is on. I had a quick panic. Oops. Right, let's go down there. No, we're doing 30 actually, it should be fine. Because it does come to 20 around here, but we can get to that beforehand. And then there's just one part left of this Preston Docker Railtour, and then I've done it all. Never coming back to the Cars 20. No, of course we are. I've not used it that much, and I've not played Tees Valley that much, to be honest. That's a route I need to do more of, as well as the Cross City, some of the OG stuff on the Cross City pack. Like I want to do the 37 Railtour. It's just, obviously that route, that service is probably meant to be done in the summer, let's be honest, because driving a 458 in winter, it's going to be a bit dark. Release brakes. Nice. But yeah, how is everybody doing in the Twitch stream? How is everyone's morning, day, afternoon been? What is everyone saying? About to hit 9 o'clock, I think. No, 10 o'clock. It's mad to think how much driving we've done. And because this is so early, it's only about to be 10 o'clock. If you remember this Preston Docker Rails tour, I'm pretty sure starts like 4:30, doesn't it? Starts at a stupid time in the morning, I know that for sure. I've not seen this as AI yet, like when I've been doing other runs on Blackpool branches, I've not seen it as AI. Put a little bit of power on. that you only see as a substitution for Pacer if you own Tees Valley, I do believe. Because I never used to see those, and I had Northern Transpennine, and it was a bit frustrating. Right, max power, let's get up to speed. Yeah, if anybody's got any suggestions for the next run I'd like to see, I'm more than happy to do that. Yeah, I want to drive something in, like, bad weather conditions. I want to do like a storm, or snowstorm or something like that. Because obviously, today is the 1st of October, this is the first day that our HTT trains should be out, I think. Yeah, should be. Do love the RHTT. If you're on Xbox and you are a TSW6 player, I don't know if the issue still exists, but on launch day you do have to go into all of your products for it to recognise that you own them. But at least it's not as bad as last year where you had to wait a load of days because it was all messed up and it didn't recognise the things you owned. I genuinely think we had to wait like 3 or 4 days until that was fixed, which was a bit mad, considering how much money people had spent on TSW5. Hey, I'm getting good at that now. See, actually, let me do a quick check on how many hours I had on Train Sim World 5 after this. Because obviously Train Sim World 5, we're not going to play anymore. So yeah, I wonder what my final hours total was for Train Sim World 5. See, they hide the red signal up here and it's quite a hard one to spot, so we need to be wary for that. But yeah, thank you everyone who's made it this far in the video or the stream. If you are enjoying, please do leave a like on the video. Obviously, if you're watching on the stream, you can't, you can't leave a like on Twitch, can you? Let me just mute my stream just in case it's coming out on my phone. I can't hear it if it is. I feel like I've got some, yeah, that's definitely some sort of motion blur. Oh, hang on, why am I on moto brain? Okay, how do I stop that? Because that is ugly. Volumetric fog. Motion blur. Why is that? If that's what it was, I bet that's why it looked different. Obviously, none of these random faults we're going to see because I don't own any TSW6 core stuff. We got a name. 46503. No name to it. It still feels a bit different. One sec, got a frog. I never remember hearing pass on that objective, but okay. 15 miles an hour into Blackpool. Honestly, getting a frog mid-recording is probably the worst thing that could ever happen. Let me just save it real quick. Yeah, anyone will vouch. There's 47 in there. I really like. What livery? Anybody watching or viewing? I'm worried that I'm not seeing Twitch chats pop up. If there are any to pop up, I hope that's not a me issue. But yes, what I was going to say is, what is your favourite livery of the 47? Because my favourite is the Intercity, I'd say. As boring as that may sound, all Intercity. Yeah, I think the Intercity is a very nice livery. It's the Executive. But you know, it's a weird thing that in 1986, all this is being used, but the HST has entered service. I want to say the HST entered service in 79, maybe? I don't know why that year's coming to mind. I think they built it in 75, but they didn't enter service till 79. Blackpool North. Yeah, the HUD looks a bit different. Everything does look a bit different, to be fair. A BR Provincial Pacer. Hang on a minute. Oh dear. I don't think we missed that by much. Oh dear. That could have been job gone in the morning. I was like, okay, we're slowing down, then we just weren't. Right, do stick around for the next part of this Preston Docker Railtour. I'll be all of, well, about 30 seconds on the stream, and probably about even less than that on the video. Hello everyone, and welcome back. We are doing the second part of this video, the 8th part of the tour, the final part of the Preston Docker Railtour from Blackpool North to Preston. Let's go. Right, so doors open. First thing I gotta do, 30% brake. 100% brake. If I actually turn chat off on Twitch, actually, I gotta think about that. So I did tweak some settings. Let me change the settings. Let's see. Try and see if chat's open now. Yeah, lights are on. Oh, have we got instruments? There we go. Instrument lights. Yeah, we're literally just waiting for the signal. We've got an empty Blackpool. Pardon me. There's a pacer. What's down here? There's a couple of things. 5 Alpha 9-4, mic 8-9. Stop coupler setup. Oh, that one's actually moving. Right. We're stopping at Preston Up Goods. Where is that there? Anyway, lock doors. Brake 1 off, brake 2 off. Oh, forward. A bit of beans. do. There's a Gronk. Speeding up to 15 miles an hour. That should be about 14. Right, there's a 70 limit. Just as we go over these points, I reckon we'll be able to put it into full beans. Okay, just past the 70. Are we doing speed? We just avoided speeding. There's a 45 there. We'd see the 20 and the 45 in the same room. And the same with the 20 and the 47. Right, let me get a screenshot of this. Yes. Well, we're saying now this isn't going to be a separate part, so I think we might already have a screenshot for it, but hey. It's probably the best thing about a new Train Sim World game, is that your screenshots are at the start of your photo gallery. hate when it switches to a loco brake. Hate it. It's the worst thing sometimes about driving a locomotive in TSW, when it switches the brake without you doing anything. It's like, cheers pal, right, okay. I knew the brake was a bit sooner than what I thought it was. Right, release. Oh, do you know what? Let's say power off. There we go. That was 20 miles an hour. I'm trying to get up to 20. Should be, I think it should be 50 actually now. Yeah. Yeah, Preston up goods. Preston goods loop or Preston up goods? Up goods, so it'll be that side, okay. I can do that. Goose on the track then or something, that speed sign. Wouldn't that be nice? Wildlife on the track. Well, they'd have to up the age rating of the game, so that's why I never think we'll see Blackpool events like that, but because obviously that would make it a murder game and stuff. Which I'm not sure if that's what DCG really want to do, Train Sim World, make it a murder game. I highly doubt it personally, but you never know. Construction sites to my left, I wonder what's been there now. Maybe it's the big Sainsbury's, who knows. Okay, how am I majorly speaking? I'm not fair. big sale in September. This year there wasn't, and now all the content been re-released as Trainspotting 6 content, but Trainspotting 6 is passable. It sees it as new content for the Microsoft Store probably, so it's probably not going to be a sale for a while, which is a bit of a shame, but what can you do? Yeah, not far from Preston now. Just literally round the corner and round the next corner after that. Yeah, let's just hold off on the throttle and just coast in. That song there really annoys me. I mean, it's really realistic, so cool, but it throws me off a fair amount. Right, I know there's a speed limit of 35 coming up, so I'm going to slow down for 35. Oh, and that's a yellow signal, which means the next one is red, so we better start slowing down. Yeah, that's the new road they were building. I believe this is 1986, that's probably been built for years now. Covered in potholes and all sorts. It just looks like an A road, or a B road maybe. Little country lane, 60 sort of the job. Yeah, I believe our objective marker is slightly before this next signal, so we can approach it at a slow speed, but we don't have to stop. Or we shouldn't have to stop, but we can't assume that until we see otherwise. Church there. Wycliffe Memorial Evangelical Church. The friendly church. Oh, is there like rivalry between churches here? Right, 100 yards till the objective marker. Put a little bit of power on. Help us glide down. And I think it'll be 25 all the way into Preston, where we'll come to an eventual stop. Right, there we go. Preston Docker Railtour. Little toot for the track workers. I'm going to say the Network Rail staff building the Network Rail this time, so. Look, we got a GMPT orange, and we got a 47 coming in alongside of us. So I take it neither of those freight trains are there. be an 87. Blackpool branches. Preston car park. What service is it? 1 Mike 05. Oh, I just can't wait if I ever got Preston Carlisle. I don't think I'd ever have a life again. Away from screens anyway. I mean, I don't anyway, but... Oh look, there's another one. There's a lot of 101s I'm noticing. It's re-downloading it for TSW6. That was a big old boy for a train. Oh look, we've got that Peak Forest braking, where as soon as we get out of its way, it'll probably get out of ours. We're speeding, because it's only 20 and it's probably about to be 15 in a minute. Let's slow it down. It looks like it's got a named one. It's been named 47. Yes, you are. Monty's of Hamilton. Right, fair enough. Never seen that one before. Has anybody else seen that one before? Preston up Goods Loop. This guy gonna start to go soon. There's a pacer coming in. In and out. Yeah, if you have enjoyed this video, be sure to like, subscribe, and I shall see you next time for some more Train Sim World.